if I told you you can start making money in 2025 using Google Maps with no marketing experience or no tech background? In fact, everything that you need is just a laptop and internet connection. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. In fact, I think this is one of the simplest and best business opportunities that often goes overlooked. And the best part is anyone can do it. So look, I'm going to walk you through in this video step by step on how to find local businesses and offer them a simple copy-paste solution that you only need to set it up one time and get paid monthly for it. This works even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to be an expert of any kind or know how to make fancy websites or anything like that. And don't worry, I'm not here to pitch you guys an expensive course or a high-ticket coaching program. This video is for people who actually want to start something real, something simple and something that actually works without needing a huge budget, tech experience or a big team behind them. Now listen, by the end of this video you're going to have that aha moment, that one moment where everything finally clicks and you realize this is what I've been looking for the whole time. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step strategy that everyone can follow, even if you're starting from complete scratch. We'll cover exactly who you can help and how you can provide value and how to set it all up once so it runs on autopilot, while businesses keep paying you month after month. We're not talking about building some complicated agency or running Facebook ads or doing SEO or some complicated funnels. This is simple, straightforward, and it works. You are going to be working with local businesses, all the ones that are around you. For example, plumbers, dentists, barbers, landscapers, gyms, physical therapists, hair salons, chiropractors, even restaurants. All of them need one thing, a way to consistently get leads and book appointments. And once you show them how easy that can be, using the system that I will show you, they'll never go back. Now, here's where everything gets interesting. You only set this up once. That's right, one setup, one time. And because what you are offering brings them real results, these businesses are more than happy to keep paying you because it's bringing them value every single day. I've put together a free course that teaches you everything that you need to know from A to Z. I'm talking about websites, automation, lead generation tools, templates, scripts, systems, everything that you need. And the best part, it's not locked behind a paywall. It's just real practical step-by-step training designed for complete beginners. And you can get instant access to it completely free through the link in the description. So if you've ever wanted to build something for yourself, something that doesn't rely on chasing trends or learning complicated tech, this thing is for you. Now, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go on this software. This software is called Go High Level. So practically what you can do here, you can put here your name, you can put here your logo and customize the entire software, and you can sell this software as if it's your own software. So you basically sell your clients this software. And let me quickly show you what you can actually do here. Here we have the dashboard. This doesn't matter right now. We have here the conversations tab. You can connect your Instagram, your live chat, your chat widgets, your chat bots, your WhatsApp, email, Instagram. You can connect all your social media in a single place and respond to all of the questions within this chat. So this is very useful for your clients. Next up we have the calendars. Here you can create calendars and you can create appointments. Next up we have the contact list. Here you can add thousands of contacts and you can select them, you can add them to an automation, send them an SMS, send them an email, send them a review request, import contacts, export contacts, and even send them a message on WhatsApp. Practically this is a database that you can use and you can communicate better with your clients. And this contact list helps local businesses a lot because they can have a much deeper connection with their clients, a stronger connection. They can communicate better with their clients. Next up, the opportunities tab. I will show you this in a few seconds. Next up, the payments. You can create invoices, recording invoices, contracts, documents, payment links, products, coupons, and everything. Next up, AI agents. You can create here chatbots. On the marketing we have social planners, emails. Here you can connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Google My Business profile, your LinkedIn, your TikTok, and it will automatically connect and your conversations will show here in the conversations tab. Here in automation you can create thousands of automations. I will show you this in the course, or I will post a video later on this channel. Next up, on sites you can create funnels, websites, stores, blogs, WordPress, forms, surveys, quizzes, chat widgets, QR codes, a ton of things. Here on memberships you can actually create a course for yourself or for your client. You have here courses, dashboard, products, offers, analytics, you have communities, you can create groups and chats and even give out certificates. Here on media storage you can put all your pictures, or your client can upload all his pictures here for you to be easier to create his ads or his website. Next up on reputation. Here the client needs to connect his Google My Business account so that you can send reviews within the app. And when we click on settings, there are a few more things that we have here but are not that important. You can also put domains and do other stuff here. So the first thing we need to do is go here on Opportunities tab and go here to Pipelines and create a new pipeline. This pipeline we're going to name them, let's say for example you want to look for dentists. So dentists, and here you're going to put lead, next stage cold, next no answer, next meeting booked. Here you're going to put client, it's better if you put active client, and next dead lead. Okay, and we're going to click save. We're going to go back to opportunities, and here as you can see we have our pipeline. Next up we're going to go on Google Maps and we're going to search here dentist. It's better here if you actually put your city where you live. You can actually put dentists London, for example. If you live in London, you're going to put dentists London. We're going to click enter, and here we're going to look for clinics that don't have that many reviews, but it's better if they don't have a website. So we're going to look at this icon and see who doesn't have a website. And let's take this person for example. They have a few reviews but they don't have a website. We can save them, but this person has very few reviews and also doesn't have website. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy his name, come back to Go High Level, click add opportunity, we're going to add him here as a new contact and get his phone number, paste it here and click create. And now as you can see this person is in our pipeline, and what we can do, we can move this person to every stage of the pipeline. So after you call this person, you're going to move him to called. If they didn't answer, you move him to no answer. If you booked a meeting, you put him to meeting booked. If you sign the client, active client. And if the lead doesn't want anything to do with you, you're just going to put him to dead lead and maybe call him back in 2-3 months or something. And you're going to do everything like this. You're going to come here, search for another clinic, you copy his name, you copy his number, and you're going to gather, let's say for example 100 leads. 100 leads per week, it's pretty good. So you need to call like 15 leads per day. It's not something that crazy. You can actually do that in 1 hour maybe, and from 100 leads you will probably book 2 or 3 or 4. If you have luck, you manage to get 5 and even sign 1 client off of those 5 meetings. So yeah, after you do this, we need to also come here on Go High Level, search for, go here on sites, and we go to websites. We're going to click new website from templates and click continue, and here we're going to search for not health and wellness. We're going to click here medical, and we're going to choose one website template that we like. You're going to just click here and click continue. After you open the website that you've just created, you can come here, look at the website, see if you like it. If you want to change something, you can add elements from here. You can it's very simple. It's just drag and drop. You put headline here, you can put sub headline here, and yeah, it's pretty easy and straightforward. You can add bullet lists, buttons, forms. You can add images, videos, photo gallery, code, calendars, maps, reviews, countdowns. You can add a ton of things here, and you will just create the website as you want it to be. And after you finish the website, it's going to look something like this. You can actually put here a chat widget if you want, but we're going to cover this in another video. Also, I have in my course a video on how to create chat widgets and chatbots. Here is the home page. It's pretty simple. A few animations, our services, features of our clinic, a video, quality doctors, testimonials of the clients, information, and a simple map. And then we're going to go to services. Here are services. We're going to customize it for the client, but it's just a template, this one. Next up, appointment. Here at the appointment we can put a calendar, so the clients can book their meetings. We're going to select, let's say for example, the 13th of May, and we're going to click 4:30 p.m, select, and here we're going to put our information and click book appointment. And after the client clicks book appointment, they will automatically get a message on WhatsApp telling him that his meeting has been booked. And 24 hours and 2 hours before the appointment, they would actually get another message reminding him of the appointment. And after the appointment is done, like 20 minutes or something after the appointment is done, they will also receive a message on WhatsApp telling him to leave the clinic review. Next up, the contacts. Here you have a simple contact form. And next up, about us. Here you're going to put information about the clinic. So if you ask what you're going to say to these clinics when you call them, you're going to call them and say, hey, I was looking on Google and I noticed that you didn't have a website, and I actually built you guys a pretty beautiful website, if I might say so. I was just wondering if you would be interested on scheduling a 15-minute call where I show you everything that I have for you. That's it, a simple conversation, a normal conversation with another human being. You don't need to pitch them anything. You're just having a conversation and saying, look guys, I made this thing for you and I was wondering if you would be interested in it. If they say no, just go to the next person. You have 99 more leads to go, and I promise you from that 100 leads, at least 5 people would say yes to a meeting because you say that you actually build them a website. But you didn't actually build them a website. You have here a template and you're going to put their logo or their name here, and you're going to save this, and you're going to show him this website. And also we're going to look quickly at the automation. We have here a trigger, and let me actually show you how we can add this. We're going to click here, add trigger, and type here customer booked appointment, and we're going to add filter and select in calendar, and we're going to select here test calendar. This is the calendar for the website, and we're going to select the calendar that we created for our client. And after that, we're just going to come here and search SMS or WhatsApp message, and you're going to give them a message. Here in the SMS, you're going to tell him your meeting has been booked, and you're going to receive the appointment start time. And let me show you how to actually add a wait here. You're going to write here wait, time delay. You're going to put here event appointment time, put here 24 hours before the appointment, and you're going to click save. So basically, the customer, after he books appointment, he receives a confirmation telling him that your meeting has been booked. Then 24 hours before the appointment, he receives a message, your meeting is in 24 hours. Then 2 hours before the meeting, he receives another message telling him your appointment is in 2 hours, but you're going to customize this message a little bit. And 15 minutes after the appointment, he is going to receive another message telling him to give us a review request so that our client can grow organically on Google and rank higher on Google. And we're going to click publish and save. As you can see, everything is simple and automated, and you can copy paste this strategy for every single client. Just remember, local businesses don't need a fancy website, they just need a presentation website that actually works. Now, if you want to learn more about Go High Level and you want to sell websites and automations to local businesses, join my free Go High Level course where I teach you everything step by step how to create your own AI automation agency. Click the link below in the description to join. I'll see you inside.